Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Homeschool Honey. In today's video, we're reviewing McClard's barbecue restaurant. When we went to Hot Springs, we all got to choose an activity to do, and one of my kids chose going to McClard's barbecue for one of our meals because we read that it was Bill Clinton's favorite barbecue restaurant. It's been around since 1928. It had great signs, great pictures. The menu looked pretty good, but the main thing that we need to know about McClard's is, can they make barbecue? I thought it was interesting that they had buttermilk on the menu, but that's neither here nor there. Now, we love ribs, so one of my kids chose ribs, baked beans, and fries. I chose turkey and sausage and fries, and my other child also chose ribs, sausage, and fries. So let's talk about what we thought about the meal. It didn't go well. The ribs were, I'm having a hard time describing the ribs. They were kind of fatty, except for the outer layer was so tough and chewy. You put it in your mouth and you couldn't even chew it. So it was like, I don't even know how they did that. So yeah, my kids they ate maybe one of the ribs off their plate. They later told me that this was St. Louis style barbecue. So I feel like maybe it's just not a fair comparison coming from Texas and having Texas ribs and Texas barbecue from my dad, that we had really high expectations for ribs. Next were the beans. My kids really like having baked beans with their meal, or pinto beans, just any kind of beans with their barbecue. But the beans, again, maybe it's a regional thing, but we didn't care for it. The beans, my child said, it tasted like Wolf brand chili with pinto beans dumped into it. And finally was my turkey. I feel like I'm being really brutal, but I want to be honest about what we thought about the barbecue there. As I explained to my sister when I was trying to describe it, I said, do you remember how I used to like fry bologna and the meat would get kind of like burnt crispy because of the fats? I feel like maybe the turkey was cooked prior and then heated up on the griddle, because it was kind of had that feature of like fried ham or fried bologna on this. So I don't know if that's just the way they do it there, but again, it wasn't what I really cared for. So maybe, again, it's just a regional thing and I'm being brutal, but we didn't really like it. If you've eaten at McClard's and maybe I just didn't get the right thing, that wasn't their signature item, please let me know. Or if you've got some other suggestions, say if we were in Hot Springs again, where we should definitely go for barbecue to make up for this, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you go down there and hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!